Once again, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Welcome to Checkpoint. My name is Jesse Rogers. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Philip Omondi. We begin with the latest intrigues surrounding the day 4 of the vetting process by the National Assembly Committee on Appointments. Now get this, integrity questions took center stage during the vetting of former Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya when he appeared before members of the National Assembly's Appointment Committee to determine their suitability to hold office. His counterpart, former Mombasa Governor Hassan Joho, also hard pressed over his academic qualifications and his past utterances that he will not at any instance work with the current regime. Senior political affairs reporter Jeff Kirui kickstarts our broadcast tonight.
I, Hassan Joho, do swear.
He will be the second billionaire cabinet secretary after Prime CS Musalia Mudavadi should he be approved. With a net worth of 2 billion shillings, the first governor of Mombasa, Hassan Joho, kicked off Sunday vetting exercise as he sought to defend his suitability for the mining and blue economy docket. Here, he was put to task to set the record straight on his academic qualifications to hold the position of cabinet secretary.
There is no government institution, be it Higher Learning Commission, DCI, EACC, even a judicial process that has not investigated my credentials. And I commit before this House. In fact, they should be looking at this space. Probably if we succeed, if you nominate me, and we do well, if I'm approved, the next vetting, you should see a PhD, Mr. Speaker.
Joho was faced with the ghost of a US government dossier that linked him with the international drug trafficking cartel. Only recently, the US government, through its embassy, emphasized that integrity in leadership is fundamental to the prosperity and stability of a country.
No iota of evidence was found against me. Mr. Speaker, let me put it this way. I'm not a fool. I come from a family that is blessed with businesses. And I'm thankful to Almighty for what I have. So number one, that investigation was concluded.
Regarding the mining docket, Joho proposed a radical surgery in the sector aimed at ridding it of exploitative elements and policies.
And therefore, I'll make it my business to ensure systems that work are deployed, processes that are efficient are used, so that we also can help this country move from the burden it is in today. And I believe strongly that this ministry is a ministry of wealth creation.
Another on the hot seat was Kakamega first Governor Wycliffe Oparanya. His nomination among the 4 members picked by President William Ruto from Raila Odinga's ODM party. Oparanya's nomination elicited debate, EACC citing corruption allegations during his tenure as governor.
Therefore, this is a sector that requires a man of impeccable integrity and someone that Kenyans and corporators in this country can trust that their money is safe with them. Will corporators' money be safe in your hands?
So as I sit here, Honorable Chairman, nobody has come to take any statement from me. So I don't know what I'm being accused for, because I'm also just seeing it in the papers as you are seeing.
As the nominee to take charge of President William Ruto's pet project of Hustler Fund under the cooperatives docket, Oparanya's criticism of the project while serving as the ODM deputy party leader would come to haunt.
I had not known the facts about the Hustler Fund until now. I've been briefed about the Hustler Fund. I think this fund, if well managed, is a fund that will take our people from poverty. The only problem through my briefing, the only problem is that this fund was launched in a hurry without proper legal structures in place.
The committee now retreats to write a report on the suitability of each nominee, a report that will be tabled in the National Assembly on or before Thursday next week, as sources indicate that those who will be approved will be sworn in on Friday, allowing President William Ruto to execute another radical surgery in effecting changes in the positions of principal secretaries. Jeff Kirui, KTN News, Parliament, Nairobi.
Now, during his vetting, Labour and Social Protection Cabinet